I'm Raymond Taylor, and I'm going to show you how to create a freedom-based online coaching business from scratch. Hello. So, the question on your mind, how much money can you make from life coaching? Well, that very much depends on how much work you want to put in and how clever you are or who you learn from, because it depends on a number of variables. I would say that starting out, coaches can charge anything between $60 and $100 an hour, but I always recommend people charge 12-week coaching programs because coaching is a progressive experience where they don't necessarily get results after one session. So if you say something like it's £60 an hour and they have 1 hour session with you, they're going to be left feeling like, oh, that was kind of helpful, but it didn't change my life, so I'm probably not going to book the next one. But if they're committed to the process, they'll start to see those changes 3-4 weeks in, and they compound over a period of time. And you start planting those seeds and they start developing, and breakthroughs and realizations start happening. You start to understand your client more. You do research in between to bring in different modalities and different questions you can bring to the table to serve them. And by the end of a 12-week process, which is 3 months, which is a long time, they've had an amazing experience with you. So how much do they make? $60 to $100 an hour to get started, but over 12 weeks, you're probably looking at something more like $1,500 or $2,000 if you're brave. After a couple of years, pushing that up to $3,000 or $4,000 for a 3-week coaching program. When you get into elite status, when you've been doing it, well, not necessarily when you've been doing it for a lot longer, but when you become more confident, when you've built your brand, when you've built authority and certainty, and you've got a lot of inquiries to the point where you need to manage your time, because obviously time is a scarce resource and you can only take on a certain amount of clients. So the laws of supply and demand say that the more inbound people that want to work with you, the higher your price point needs to become. Otherwise, you end up saying no to people. So you price it higher so that you can make the most possible money with the available time that you have. So it's up to you how much you charge. However, there are people that don't have the confidence in themselves and charge it at $20 an hour. Or there are people that give way too many free sessions away because they're looking to practice for too long. And the problem with giving free sessions away is people don't really value them that much. So they don't turn up, they don't take action, and then it creates a belief in the coach that they're not a good coach. And then they never end up charging for it because they're thinking, wow, free ones that I've been giving away aren't happy with it. Can you imagine what the paying ones think? So you've got to have a certain amount of confidence to be like, I'm going to own this price. So I'm going to keep on putting this price out until I can say it confidently enough for someone to say yes. And once you get to that point, you can continue to do it and continue to make more money. However, the coaches that make a lot of money are coaches that don't do one-to-one coaching. They move into group coaching so they can serve more people, and there's a group of them on a call. They start doing things like membership sites where you pay a monthly subscription and they access your content that you update every month. So it might be on-demand self-study videos. Like for example, we have CoachFlix, which has now probably 200 hours worth of training in there that we've developed over the years. Now that people pay a $9.99 subscription for. Now you might not think that's a lot, but let's compare that to Netflix. Netflix make $1 billion a month, I think it is, $1 billion a month from their subscription fees. You can either charge a lot of money to a small amount of people for your time on one-to-one, or you can charge a small amount of money to a lot of people for something like a membership site. Or the other option you have is to create a course. And that's my preferred option because it's somewhere in the middle. And you're not selling it to like thousands of people, you're selling it to like dozens. And you might sell a 12-week online course for say $2,000 and they all do it at once. Say 12, 24, even 50 people you could comfortably get on a course. But if you get 50 people on a course at $2,000 each, you made $100,000. And yeah, just to answer your question, there are coaches that are making multiple 6 figures. There are coaches that are making multiple 7 figures. There are coaches that are making multiple 8 figures. I don't think I've heard of a coach that's made 9 figures, although I do know that some of the sort of platforms such as like Mind Valley make like $100 million a year. So I guess 100 million is 9 figures. But these obviously aren't coaches anymore. They've developed a business and it's more of an ed tech company. Standard coaches probably earn on average of about 50 grand a year. Good ones, 6 figures, and clever ones that scale up with digital products will earn a couple of $100 grand. And there'll also be people that make absolutely nothing because they don't do anything with it. And the good news is though, you get to decide who you are in that spectrum. Do nothing with it and make none, or go right the other end of the spectrum and sell thousands of courses and make millions of dollars. Choice is yours.
I'm Raymond Taylor, and I'm going to show you how to create a freedom-based online coaching business from scratch.